Hello everyone. Today I will use 5 eggs and a bowl of flour. No oven, no rice cooker. Teach you how to make cakes easily. As soon as a novice learns, first crack 5 eggs into a plate. Separate egg yolks into another bowl. Add 55 grams of cooking oil to the egg yolk. 110 ml of pure milk. Stir with chopsticks first. Sift in 110 grams of plain flour. Then stir with a shovel until there are no dry flour particles. Try not to stir while doing this. Because flour and eggs are stirred for a long time, it is easy to make flour glutinous. Can't make the cake or it doesn't taste good? Just like the current state. Put a plate aside. Then pour the egg whites into a large clean bowl without water. Next, let's hit the protein acid. It is very important to make cakes and beat protein acid. So what if you don't have an egg beater at home? Let's teach you how to make a simple and practical egg beater. Take and then add 60 grams of sugar to the egg white in 3 installments. When adding sugar for the first time, whip until there are a lot of fisheye bubbles. Add the second sugar and continue to beat until delicate. Add the third sugar and continue to pass. Beat until the egg beater can extract the meringue without removing it. Just plug in the chopsticks and don't fall down. Then add the meringue to the egg yolk paste 3 times. Use a shovel to mix it up and down to mix it evenly. And this is important to watch out for. It must be mixed, not stirred. Stirring is easy to break the bubbles in the protein acid. Affect the wake-up of the cake and cause the finished product to fail. Just fold until a delicate cake batter like this. Then prepare a clean large bowl or small basin. Brush a layer of cooking oil on the inside. Put a piece of oil-absorbing paper on the bottom. This is convenient for demolding. Then pour the cake batter into the basin from a height. Give it a few shakes to drain the bubbles and put some dried fruits you like on it. Sprinkle a little sesame seeds for flavor. Then cover with plastic wrap. Give it an extra layer. Wrap it evenly. To prevent soda from entering and affecting the taste during the steaming process, boil the water in the steamer and steam it, then put the cake batter in. Close the lid. Steam over medium heat for 40 minutes. Time to turn off the fire. Don't rush to open the lid. Let it simmer in there for 5 minutes. If you open the lid immediately, the cake will shrink and cold. Open the plastic wrap immediately after it comes out of the pot. Let's see if it's very successful. Then pour it out and unmold it. It is also very convenient to do demolding. Learning how to make cakes is simple. Even a failed novice can easily make a good cake. Fluffy and fluffy, sweet and delicious. Kids love it. If you like it, please try it now.